Missionaries Health Services (MHS) is a Christian network committed to give possible total medical care assistance for missionaries across India and beyond. The core biblical value of MHS is Christian brotherhood that is contributing without any expectation to help missionaries who are suffering and are in need. Seeing the struggles of missionaries to get good medical treatment, pay their exorbitant medical bills, we always wanted, believed, and felt that it should be possible to financially fully support the missionaries with the health issues with the help of small contributions from missionaries and mission organizations, along with individuals and foundations. This deep concern gave birth to MHS on 10th March 2014. MHS created the Forum for Mission Organizations to enroll their missionaries with a donation ₹100 per missionary per month. MHS allows treatment through hundreds of affiliated Christian hospitals who agree to treat missionaries on cost or with subsidy. MHS pulls in the monthly donations and pays directly to the affiliated Christian hospitals from the accumulated funds up to $2,500 or 1.5 lakh rupees. Over and above, with the help of local church, mission organizations, individuals and foundations, MHS is attempting to meet the unmet needs of missionaries for medical treatment.
MHS is well connected with a powerful online system. The mission organizations, affiliated Christian hospitals, and donors are in the loop through MHS system. Through MHS system, the funds collection and distribution is carried out effectively.
Brother Babu Singh's wife, Sister Saroja, suffered with cancer and had to spend around $12,000 for her treatment.
Only those who go through the pain of sickness and lack of money can understand the turmoil of a missionary. My plea with MHS is not to give up on this bigger challenge. The Lord is able and He will use MHS to help the genuine suffering missionaries.
Brother Amit Pawar's wife, Sister Swati, had complicated pregnancy and premature delivery. Both Swati's and daughter's life were in danger. Brother Amit had to spend $1,900 for treatment alone.
On the other hand, the unbearable burden of raising the huge amount demanded by the hospital on a single day was a nightmare. The Lord graciously saved both my wife and daughter. But I ended up with huge debts, which was equally difficult for me to battle for many months later. I am very happy for MHS, and I am sure it will be a blessing for hundreds of missionaries like me.
Still, there are many more people like Brother Babu Singh and Brother Amit Pa living in deep sorrow, agony and need, but with hope. What is your response for such needy missionaries? Can you help? MHS believes that Jesus is the only healer through medicine or miracle. MHS totally relies on God to heal and to restore. Someone is waiting on the Lord that they may get resources to meet their medical needs. Your kind heart towards the sick missionary means a lot for them. Let our help lift them from the lowest point of their life. Let our blessing be a source of encouragement and hope for them. Come along, join hands. Let your prayer and generosity bring hope in someone's life. Let it bring smile with an assurance that they are cared for. Pray, participate, propagate. The Lord be exalted who delights in the well-being of his servant.